Hey everyone, welcome to What's the Point? The show where we take the mysteries of Microsoft 365 and actually make them make sense. I'm Zach, your guide through the land of clouds, files, and the occasional frantic moment of, hey dude, where's my file? Let's see. Question 1. How will SharePoint help us store and share files? That is a great question. Think of SharePoint as a big, friendly file server. Except it's not in a closet with questionable air conditioning, it's in the cloud, your cloud, safely sitting inside your Microsoft 365 tenant. Just like OneDrive, SharePoint lets you store files, organize them, and share them using simple URLs. No more attaching the 48th version of a PowerPoint deck to an email chain. You can just send a link to that live file. It's basically like a streaming service, but instead of binge-watching shows, you're binge-accessing company documents. Not quite as exciting, but much more productive. Question 2. Can we control who sees or edits our documents? Absolutely. SharePoint is connected to your Microsoft 365 user directory, which means it knows who you are. In a friendly, non-creepy, hi, welcome back kind of way. With this connection, SharePoint tracks who created a document, who's editing that document, and who's currently viewing that document at the same time as you. It's kind of like a social media platform for your company, but instead of cat videos and memes, it's spreadsheets and project documents. Same idea, just way more professional. Question 3. Is it easy to create new sites or pages for different teams? Yes, but with a catch. Creating a SharePoint site or a page is a fairly straightforward process, but there are a handful of things to consider when doing so, like assigning user access and granting accessibility. It's similar to doing home repairs. You have to know what you're working with. Some things you can tackle yourself, no problem, but for bigger projects, you probably want a professional. Someone who knows where the digital plumbing and electrical closets are. That's where our team comes in. We typically build sites for our clients, but we're also happy to teach your team how to do it. Think of us as your SharePoint contractors. That's it for today's episode of What's the Point? If you've got more SharePoint questions or have come across any Microsoft mysteries that keep you up at night, send them our way. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw here, be sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons. If you want more right now, check out this video. Or that one. Those were good videos. We should show those again. All right, that was a weird outtake.